This is a Matrices past paper question. It is 2019 question 3. So the first bit says find a 2 by 2 matrix which represents a reflection in the line y equals minus root 3x. Our formula for that is y equals tan theta x. If we can get it in that form there, then we can just sub it in. It's just in the formula booklet. So you can see here our minus root 3 is the same as our tan theta. So we're going to let tan theta equal minus root 3. Putting that into your calculator, you're going to get theta is 120, which gives us 2 theta is 240. We need that for the matrix formula. So our matrix required then is cos 2 theta, sine 2 theta, sine 2 theta minus cos 2 theta. So that's cos 240, sine 240, sine 240 minus cos 240. The cos of 240 is minus a half. The sine of 240 is minus root 3 over 2. Sine 240 minus root 3 over 2. And minus cos 240 then is going to be a half. So that's a required matrix then for part 1. Part 2 says the transformation represented by the 2 by 2 matrix N is 3a, b, 4. And it maps the points 2a on the 7, 0, and the point 5, b plus 2 on the 15 minus 10. So how do we go about that then? We know this matrix, whenever you put the point 2a into it, gives us 7, 0. So if we multiply through our top line, 3 times 2 gives us 6, a times a squared gives us 7, we get a squared equals 1, so a is plus or minus 1, we'll come back to that one. For then this second wee bit here, then 2 times b, 4 times a equals 0. Over on this side here, we're going to have 15 plus a upon b plus 2 equals 15. And then we have 5b plus 4 upon b plus 2 equals minus 10. This one here just has b's in it, so if we tidy this up, we end up with 9b plus 8 gives us minus 10. That gives us a value then of b equals minus 2. And we also have this here, so 2b plus 4a equals 0. If I move it up again very slightly first. So the only numbers are going to work here, if b is minus 2, which it has to be in this case, then a must be 1. If you fiddle around with that for a while, you kind of see then where it comes from. But our answer then is going to be a equals 1. We're getting it from here. We're only taking our positive value because the negative 1 doesn't work with our b is minus 2. And then b is minus 2. The last part of the question then asks us, the matrix S represents the combined effect of the transformation represented by M followed by the transformation represented by N. Find the matrix S. Remember with this you need to put them in the other way around. Okay, so this is our M here and this is our N. Multiplying those out, you end up with, so let's see, 3 times that plus 1 times that is going to give us minus 3 minus root 3 over 2. Top row times second column is going to give us minus 3 root 3 plus 1 over 2. Bottom row times first column, 2 minus 4 root 3 over 2. And then bottom row times second column, this times this, gives us then our 2 root 3 plus 4 over 2. Top line doesn't really tidy up too much. You can see it then down here. Bottom line does divide by 2, so we can get rid of the quotient then on both of those. So we'll end up then with 1 minus 2 root 3, and then root 3 plus 2.